Okay, looking at 3,000 profit, guys, for passing a combine, a apex combine. Let's see if we get to the target. So we are risking a little bit of money, to make the profit, then pass to a PA account. So I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, if it goes back to break even, it's okay. I don't mind. This is part of trading, and this is the best way to pass a combine. Okay, so you keep adding to the position. Okay, keep adding and adding. If the market is in a downtrend, okay, so we can still see that buyers weren't able to pull the price up, and they were completely massacred. Okay, as you saw, we got the 3,000. Okay, you saw the close here was $3,000. You will see that. You can go back to the video. Okay, guys, so that's it. Just wanted to show you how this program works. Okay, so you can work better. Try to make better decisions, uh, not to rush. Okay, into the market. The market was making sideways here, so little scalps here. As always, you can. We tried to go long. Market just decided no. Buyers just weren't able to push the price up. So then we saw the Mag 7, going short, lots of delta to the downside. So we just because I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. It's like you don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, so there's nothing that you can do. You don't know if the market is gonna be sideways, or they're gonna go down and continue up. You don't know. There's nothing that you can. There's no magic wand that you can know, but you can structure your your risk. Okay, so let's say you have $2,500 to risk. Okay, so you can go one by one. It's $1.25 a tick. Okay, so say I have $2,500 to risk. Okay, so I want to pass in one day. Okay, we see Mag 7 completely short. Okay, so you go short with them. Okay, don't trade that morning open and all that. With this program, it would not work because it adds to the position. So what happens? Market goes up and then goes down double. So it's illogical. It will not work. Institutions are not trading that way. They wait for the market to have enough momentum but not a risky momentum. These guys take it easy. They will not rush to the market. They wait when you see the volatility inside the bar. Like I always say, look at this. It's taking very it's taking its time. Sometimes you see that the volatility take up and down. They swipe the book completely. That's dangerous. That's dangerous trading. So we need to wait when these guys go out and they let us trade. That's when we make our money. Okay, so this is the way you can risk a little bit, okay, and make your own money. Okay, guys, like I said, if you're interested in the program, you can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching.